So what if I told you that you have a secret built-in reset button for your own body? A process that could literally clear out all the old damaged parts of your cells and just help you feel renewed. Well, it turns out you do. And as we get older, especially after 40, learning how to activate it becomes more and more important. Today, we're going to figure out exactly how to flip that switch. It's a pretty wild question, isn't it? I mean, that feeling of slowing down a bit, maybe some brain fog, or just that energy dip that can creep in. What if you could actually hit reset on all of that? It almost sounds like science fiction, but the incredible thing is that button is real, and it exists inside every single one of us. Most of us just don't know it's there, or, more importantly, how to press it. All right, so let's dive into the challenge first. What is actually going on inside our cells as we age that makes us feel, well, older? I want you to think back to your 20s for a second. Our cells were like these little dynamos, so resilient, tons of energy, super quick to repair any damage. But after 40, the whole landscape inside starts to shift. A kind of cellular clutter begins to pile up. And this isn't just a feeling, it's a real biological thing that leads to some pretty wild stuff, like what scientists call zombie cells and a process known as inflammaging. And yep, these zombie cells are pretty much exactly what they sound like. They're old, worn-out cells that have forgotten how to die. They're supposed to be cleared out, but instead they just hang around, kind of like terrible neighbors, pumping out inflammatory signals that damage all the healthy, functional cells around them. This is the root cause of that chronic, low-grade inflammation that we call inflammaging. But what if there was a built-in system to get rid of those zombie cells? Well, you guessed it, there is. And the science behind it is so revolutionary, it actually won a Nobel Prize. The process is called autophagy, and it literally means self-eating. Now, I know that sounds a little intense, right? But it's actually your body's most amazing quality control and recycling program. It goes around, finds all the damaged parts, old junk proteins, and yep, those zombie cells, and it dismantles them for parts. This is just the perfect way to picture it. Imagine your kitchen if you never, ever cleaned it. It would become a cluttered, unusable mess, right? Well, autophagy is that professional cleaning crew that comes in overnight. But here's the cool part. It doesn't just toss the junk, it salvages all the raw materials, like amino acids, so you can build brand new, pristine parts for your cells. It is the ultimate form of internal recycling. And let me be clear, this is not some wellness fad. The science here is rock solid. In 2016, Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize for discovering the actual mechanisms behind this incredible process. He basically opened the door for all of us to understand how we can actively manage our own cellular health. So, how does our body even control this? Well, it really just comes down to a balance, kind of like a seesaw between two key pathways. On one side, you've got mTOR. Think of this as the growth switch. Food turns it on, and in our modern world of constant snacking, it's pretty much always on. On the other side is AMPK, and that's our cleanup switch. For autophagy to really get going, we have to turn down the growth switch and turn on the cleanup switch. And the number one way to do that? The absence of food. Okay, so if that cleanup switch is turned off most of the time for most of us, how do we intentionally flip it on? Well, the two most powerful levers we have are, you guessed it, fasting and movement. Now, when it comes to fasting, the timing is everything. You hear a lot about 16-hour fasts, and those are great, especially for lowering insulin. But for those of us over 40, the real magic, that deep cellular cleanup, seems to really start ramping up around the 18-hour mark. And once to get closer to 24 hours, you're hitting that peak cellular cleanup. That's when your internal cleaning crew is really working overtime. Exercise is another massive trigger, and it's not just about burning calories. When you do high-intensity movement, you create this short-term beneficial stress on your cells. That stress immediately flips on that AMPK cleanup switch to repair the little bits of micro-damage. But the amazing part is that the cleanup is systemic. A tough workout doesn't just clean up your muscles, it triggers this renewal process in your brain and other organs too. And there are other cool ways to trigger it too, like using temperature. Hitting the sauna, for example, creates something called heat shock proteins that actually help tag damaged cells for removal. And on the flip side, cold exposure, even just a cold shower, can trigger a special kind of cleanup in our mitochondria, which helps us build more of that good metabolically active brown fat. So look, we can fast or do intense workouts all the time, right? So how can our diet support this process every single day? Let's talk about eating for cellular renewal. This is where things get really fascinating. There's a group of compounds called autophagy-mimetics. Basically, these are natural compounds found in everyday foods that can trick your cells into starting that cleanup process even when you're not fasting. Think of it as a way to keep the cleaning crew lightly working in the background all the time. And here are some of the heavy hitters. You've got resveratrol, which you find in things like blueberries. There's curcumin from turmeric, which is an amazing anti-inflammatory. ECG from green tea is another powerful one. Each of these works in a slightly different way to just gently nudge that cleanup pathway into action, which makes them an awesome strategy for daily cellular maintenance. At the end of the day, it's often more about what you swap out than what you add in. The big goal is to reduce the things that keep that growth switch, mTOR, jammed in the on position. I'm looking at you, refined sugars and processed foods. By swapping those out for things that support cell health, like polyphenol-rich foods, healthy fats, and good fiber, you create an environment where autophagy can finally do its job. Okay, so we've got fasting, we've got exercise, we've got diet. But how do we put this all together without going crazy? The secret, really, is finding your personal Goldilocks zone, because balance is everything. This right here is the heart of it all. It's about creating a rhythm between two different states. We absolutely need that catabolic, cleanup phase from fasting for renewal. But we also need the anabolic, building phase from food to maintain our muscle and our strength. The goal is not to live in cleanup mode forever. It's to create a healthy, intentional cycle between the two. So what could that actually look like in a real week? Well, a simple way to think about it is something like a 5-2 model. For 5 days, you're on maintenance, eating nutrient-dense food, maybe a shorter fast. Then you have 2 dedicated reset days, where you might push for a longer fast, say 20 or 24 hours, or do a more intense workout to really trigger that deep cellular cleanup. And please remember that none of this works in a vacuum. Deep sleep is completely non-negotiable. That's when your brain's own special cleaning system gets to work. And when you're fasting, staying on top of hydration and electrolytes is absolutely crucial. It's how your cells talk to each other and carry out all these cleanup commands effectively. So I guess the real question is, are you ready to stop fighting against your body's programming and start working with its incredible innate intelligence? The power to recycle, to renew, and to clear out all that clutter. It's already inside you. It's just waiting for the right signal. We're always breaking down these incredible topics to help you work with your body's amazing built-in systems, not against them. If you found this useful and you don't want to miss our next explainer, do us a favor and take a second to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications. Thanks so much for watching.